All right, this is going to be the shortest mop-up video in the history of mop-up videos. I thought, as I was moving into these last few slides, I thought I had 8 or 10, 12 slides to go, so I thought it would take me 15 or 20 minutes. There's actually only 2 upon reflection, so let's get it over with. Secondary immunodeficiency diseases can be caused by one of 4 general agents. They're caused by an infection, some non-infection metabolic disease. They can be caused by chemotherapy, or they can be caused by radiation. So cancer treatment can cause 2 of them, and then an infection or some metabolic disease are the other causes. The most recognized infection-induced immunodeficiency is AIDS. In AIDS, the T helper cells, the monocytes, the macrophages, and antigen-presenting cells are all infected by the HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus. This depletes the number of T helper cells and impairs the immune responses. That accounts for the cancers and opportunistic infections that are caused by AIDS. Again, told you earlier in the semester, one of the reasons that AIDS was discovered when it was in the late 70s, early 80s, is people were showing up with infections that they shouldn't be getting. A fungal infection, for instance, that is relatively common in old people, but it's almost never seen in people under about 80. And there were 20-year-olds coming in with this disease, and that led us to the discovery of the severely depressed immune system. Cancers that target the bone marrow may be responsible for malfunctioning of humoral and cellular immunities. Leukemia is where the cancer cells outnumber the normal cells. They will displace those normal cells from the bone marrow and the blood. The plasma cell tumors produce large amounts of non-functional antibodies. And thymus tumors will cause severe T cell deficiencies. One of the most ironic outcomes of life-saving medical procedures is the suppression of the immune system. Drugs that prevent graft rejection can also suppress your immune response. Radiation and anti-cancer drugs are damaging to the bone marrow and other body cells. So someone gets a new liver that will help them live. They then have to take drugs to depress their immune response so they don't reject the liver, and that makes them much more susceptible to every cold, flu, and thing that they come in contact with. Radiation and anti-cancer drugs help to eliminate the cancer, but they also then damage the bone marrow. The bone marrow doesn't produce the blood cells it should be producing, therefore the B cell and T cell lymphocytes numbers go down, and the body is suffering from those conditions as well. It wraps up chapter 14. If you have any questions, please send those to me in the email or the comments or the contact area of your Blackboard shell. Have a great rest of your day.